Hello, this is Mike from emini Underground again, and today we're looking at the chart for the 17th of January. Um, some of these things look a little different over the long weekend, and with the holiday, Martin Luther King Day, it kind of took some time to start incorporating some tools that I want to test. Now, these are not being used in my daily trading, um, but as anyone who's followed me for any period of time knows that I'm constantly testing and hypothesizing new methods, primarily for money management and extracting more out of the market. But nothing just gets thrown in. If you've taken any of our courses or anything, you understand that we think it's important to constantly keep up and try and tweak your system. But be sure that you're testing it thoroughly prior to putting it into practice. The core trading is completely the same at this stage. So everything that you've been doing, you got a red market force with a downbound market mass pivot. It's broken by this red market acceleration bar. That's all the same. And for your purposes, these are both full 3-point winners on the day for 6 points. What I have been playing around with is I'm not really a huge fan of trailing stops. I'm kind of thinking that I might be using this as a safety net, essentially. I'm a bigger fan of taking my profits out at projected targets rather than waiting for it to hit some sort of trailing stop. And to give you an idea of why, here's a nice 6-point trade here, a nice 6-point move, rather. But if I was to wait until I got to this trailing stop at 12.90, plus we would be a tick beyond that and probably a tick of slippage. You're at 12.90 and a half, and that's what 2.25 points on this trade. 2.25 if you're trading two contracts. That's 4.5 at best. By just setting a 3-point target. We're making 6 points. So I like that target idea more. I do like this, though, as kind of a safety. If we were not to hit our target, this would kind of follow us down and get us out at not a full loser. But there's more that I'm looking into with that, because sometimes you're just better off leaving your stop where you leave it, putting a target out there, and saying, okay, my bet is on, we're going long. And my bet is I'm going to make 3 points before I lose 2.5 points. And that's primarily, how I do things. But I am looking into this. You'll see different tools probably on this chart over the course of the year. But just keep in mind that the core trading methodology, the way that the main indicators work, the 3-tier indicator system for TradeStation, Newton, works exactly the same way. And if there's an opportunity for myself to make a little bit more money and it tests out well, then I'm going to pass that along to you so that you can make a little bit more money. And that's kind of the whole idea of why I do this. So that's it for today. 6 points trading the old system, 12 points trading the new testing system, and good day overall. Take care.